Hi, I am Ali Kavandi, manager of Nedai Darya Group. I invite you to watch this video.
I am Made Kava. I travel and then tell you all the stories. In this episode, I will go to Kuala Lumpur Bird Park and show you lots of amazing birds.
Hello, I need 2 adults and then she's under 2. She's 2.
Here is the ticket line of Kuala Lumpur Bird Park, and I want to tell you something that how you use your time to don't feel boring in this big line. When you reach in some places that you want to buy ticket and there is a line, first go and ask them for their handouts, for the information in the papers. In this case, on the line you can read the information about the place. I did it and I find lots of interesting information. This bird park opened in 1991 and it is 8.5 hectare and more than 3,000 birds living there from 20 different species, and the annual visit of this park is 200,000. After buying the ticket for entering to the park, we had to pass a bridge, and under that bridge it was lots of beautiful Chinese Japanese fish, and I feel that it is shame to don't show them to you. The first interesting birds are these green parrots that in my home country we call them Indian parrots, and I thought they are only green, but in this park I find out that they have also blue, red and not red, yellow and different colors. So I decided to make a search in the internet and I find out that they are originally from India, Pakistan and a little bit in Africa, and in the nature they are blue, gray and green. And about the gender, the ones who have a ring under their neck is male and the one who don't have any ring is female. Nowadays with some genetic changes you can find all different colors of them. After Indian parrots, I find a small lake with a kind of handmade waterfalls, and in that lake it was a pelican. Pelican is a kind of bird which eating fish, and it is very big, even bigger than eagle.
Wow, look at the tail. I will eat bones.
This pelican had a special diet. You can see there is lots of big fish in the lake, but the pelican tried to eat our camera. After running away from that camera eating pelican, I saw this peacock hiding in the grass. Peacocks are originally from India, Sri Lanka and Myanmar, and we have a kind of green peacocks which is from Myanmar, and it is highly in extension. Peacocks, in each period, they have 25 eggs, and the length of a peacock is 2.5 meters. And also because of the shape of their feathers, people call them the bird of 1,000 eyes, but in reality a peacock have only 160 feathers, like 160 eyes, not more. And the peacocks are a sign of luxury, kingdom, and such a things. And because of that, people really love this bird. And they are really communicative and have a good relationship with human, even with each other in the nature. Just in the season of having baby, they have fighting, but another time they are okay, and they fly, and most of people don't know that. The Kuala Lumpur Bird Park is really big, which I cannot show all the park to you in one episode, and you really must see it. But I finished this episode right here, and I will show you the rest of the park in the next episode.
Merci d'avoir pris le temps. Si vous voulez être avec nous, contactez-nous. Bonne journée.